Look, back there. Good morning, guys. Tulog pa si Ovi. Ano na bang day ngayon? Ito natin si Zach. Si Zach tulog pa rin. Morning, Zach. Get up. What do you why? Ate Louise taking us. Today is July 17. Well, Wednesday na ba ngayon? Yes, today's Wednesday. Ito yung view dito sa lounge. Ayan yung lounge namin. Ayan, golfing. Mag-golf sila dyan. Si Jen nakabihis na. Si Kuya magbibihis pa lang. So, 9:30 yata ang laro nila Kuya Jay. Ganda ng golf course dito. Yan, nakabihis na siya. Si Kuya na lang.
Put these in the box and shove it with love.
Baba, and kagabi pala, what's wrong? So, magpapalaba tayo, guys. May laundry, ano sila dito. So, yan, labahan natin para pagbaba natin. Wala na tayong labahan. I mean, pag umuwi ng Manila. Ayan. Ayan, si Zach nakaligo na. Okay. Nauna na si Jen sa baba. Si Kuya tinutulungan si Holly magsapatos. Ayan, ayan pala yung OOTD ni Holly. And si Kuya, yan nakagolf.
We have one more night. Tomorrow we leave.
Yeah, tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow. So, ito yung aking... Excuse me, Baba.
OOTD.
OOTD. Ayan ako siya. May blazer akong dala kasi baka hindi to pwede sa breakfast or doon sa lobby kasi nga may dress code sila. So, para lang send yung ating blazer. Forever na blazer natin dito. So, okay, we're going now. Ito, dalhin ko nito kay Holly just in case lumamig mamaya. Gusto niya gamitin yung exit na hindi naman dapat. Umuulan, guys. Hinihintay lang namin si Jen, hindi namin makita. Parang nandun siya sa smoke area. So, si Kuya, first time niya kakain dito. For breakfast. Zero. Yeah. Here, you come here. This way. Yeah, garlic fried rice. Yeah, up. All the way. All the way. And they have bacon on the other side. Kahapon danggit, ngayon pusit. Same longganisa and pero okay. Meron silang menudo, pork menudo today. And this one, tuna. Ginisang tuna, parang ang sarap. French, ito yung gulay nila. Nung isang araw, broccoli. Okay. What do you want? Egg, sunny side up eggs. Meron silang miso soup. Ito yung breakfast natin. May salad, miso soup. Si Jan, tapos na siya yung first niya, ano yun, may bacon ata. Eggs, toast, and raisin bread. Ngayon, ayan, mga pastry na yung sa kanya. Si Kuya, longganisa with suka and eggs. Yung dalawa, raisin bread lang. So, kain.
It's time to start all over. Go for it. They don't even know me yet. Got something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see what I've been to dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things I've done it through? Million things I cannot do. Sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. I say with a million
More recommended.
Yeah.
Here?
Mine has three different ones. It has a different master, the two, and the two. Yes, we have the one master. Yeah, the one
Not
with the
doing
stuff.
million things I running through, million things I cannot do. I just sleep on, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase, million people I can't save? I just sleep on, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Oh, if I
You think 7 or 8 here?
7.
How many?
$155.
Yesterday, 80.
How many points you want? What did I do? It just ran. You were over there.
Doon na sila. Nandun na si Jan, si Kuya, and si Kuya Jay. And nandun din si Holly at saka si Zach. Morning, ya! Oh, good shot! Si Kuya Jay. Hindi ko nakita. Ayan na yung tatlo. Okay, alis na rin kami. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Good morning, Kuya. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Thank you. Huh? This is dangerous. Ay, yung Baguio Botanical Garden. Ayun. Yan yung hindi namin napuntahan. But anyway, yeah, pupunta tayo ng SM. Ang dapat ay susundin kami ni Luis. Kaso, merong pasyente si Luis, dentista si Luis, panganay yun nila Kuya Jay, tsaka ni Ate Gina. So sabi niya sa akin, magkikita na lang daw kami sa SM, kasama si Patricia. So doon na lang kami magkikita. Magpapa-nails ako guys, kasi tingnan nyo, wala, nagsitanggalan na. Meron kasi kami nadaan, di ba kahapon pumunta kami, meron kami nadaanan na ano ba yun? Anong salon yun? Yung nadaanan namin. Hindi siya salon, nail salon. Ano siya? Push nails. So, nag-ask ako kung pwede akong magpa-book. Sabi niya, titingnan niya. Tawagan niya ako. So, tinawagan niya ako. So, meron tayong 10 or 10:30 ata. Feeling ko 10:30. So, magpapa-nails tayo guys kasi, ayan, tanggalan na. And yung, I don't know. And si Jan, tsaka si Kuya, ang ganda ng ano nila kasi nag-golf-golf lang sila dito sa Baguio. So kami, kailangan din namin gumawa ng plano kasi hindi naman kayo nag-golf na tatlo. Diba? So, taxi tayo para punta tayo ng SM.
It's the curse of losing real love when your heart is young. You think your best days are behind.
Mag-Watson muna kami. Kuha lang ako ng spray net. Hairspray. Wala akong alam kung anong brand. Ito nakita ko. Okay na to. Maliit lang. Tapos na tayo dun sa Watson. Akyat na tayo kung saan tayo magpapa-nails. Dito tayo magpapa-nails. 10:30. Okay, sit down first. Okay. So, ito yung mga shapes nila dito. Kung gusto nyo. So, itong kukunin natin na shape, yung semi-square. Ayan. Ayan, nalinis na. Lalagyan na siya ng extension.
Before they've begun.
Nag-text na si Ate Luis nila na papunta na dito para kunin sila. Kasi mag-arcade sila. Naboboard na sila. Ito na pala yung nails natin. Maglalagay na si ating gel. Gel na ate. Ayan.
What color are you doing? The color I wanted?
Yeah, ito pinili niyang color. Well, yan lang yung choices. Oh, pero ito na lang. Para maiba naman.
Well, I was gonna pick this one too.
Okay, he's gonna create the white line. Is it amazing? Okay. Oh, see? Thank you. You're gonna have a pink drink. You're welcome. Dito kayo sa Starbucks. Rika, say hi! Hi!
And then somebody new decides to come along. He could be everything you wanted, but it still feels wrong. It's not that I don't wanna let him in. It's just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick. His hands give me my fix. He gives me something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. It's a tragedy, he's loving me since you've been gone. I try to let you go, but I keep holding on. He's the first somebody I can picture something with, but every time I say I love him, it feels like a sin. It's not that I don't wanna let him in. It's just my heart is not my own to give. He's got the same brown eyes, that devastating smile. Yeah, he's got something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. His kisses do the trick. His hands give me my fix. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. You, no, you. He's just enough for you to hold my attention, but not enough for you to hold my heart. And every time I see his face, boy, it's you I'm trying to replace, but it never works, because the truth is, oh, they're not the same brown eyes. It's not the same damn smile. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. Your kisses did more than this. Your hands are what I miss. He may have something, but he's nothing, nothing like you. You, nothing like you. You, nothing like you.
Come here. You want that cotton candy? The animal cotton candy? Ah? Okay. We got animal candy. Isang number 15. And what about you, Zach? How about you? What number do you want?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. Isang Hello Kitty. Bahala ka dyan, kuya. And then, how about you, Zach? How about you, kuya?
It's okay. Thank you po.
16. And then 16, kuya. Dati, paikot lang yan. Okay, Tolly, look. Master na ni kuya.
May sabi na yung extra. Yung extra potty.
Okay, just wait ha. Just wait for everyone so you can have photos. Just wait.
Yay!
Where's the Hello Kitty? Oh, pink yung kanyang bow. Smile. 1, 2. Danica. 1, 2, 3.
Sure,
Hello Kitty. Where's Hello Kitty?
Ayan na.
Ang cute. Where's Kuya? Wait for Kuya. I'll have to take photo with Kuya. Okay, photo first. Danica. Smile. Go with Kuya. Post. Smile. 1. Danica, look. 1, 2. Smile. Yes. Okay, video. Okay, you can eat now. Go, Danica. Seaweed, yes. Let me see the face. Okay. How about you, Holly? Let me see the face. Okay, magkano, Kuya?
Rainbow, strutting down the street with a swing in a hip. See the rhythm in the feet. Going, walking on the sideway, talking about the prettiest thing you ever seen in your life. On a cloudy day, she knows just how to rock it with the hard type glasses and the sunshine in her pocket. That vibe, she kill 'em like a good time feeling, 'cause she makes you feel alright. She's high, red hot, sweet like a summertime apricot, shining like gold 'cause the money always green, blue skies, purple rain, the colors make you wanna sit. Rainbow woman dancing on her own with the sparkle in her skin and the glitter in her soul. Rainbow woman, I just gotta know. Who made you?
Can I say that? Just check. Oh my god.
Can I see? Oh, what happened to the ear? Allah! Oh no! Okay, put it back, put it back. Okay, sakay na tayo. Mag-drive-thru tayong Jollibee. Oh!
Holly.
Take away kami ng Jollibee. Saan tayo, Luis?
Jollibee PNR, tita.
Jollibee PNR. And then kung gusto nyo ng gasol kayo or LPG?
LPG
Fiesta
tita.
gas po.
Fiesta
Tsaka,
gas.
ano,
Fiesta gas, guys. Dito kayo mag-order.
Asan na yung chicken?
eh, paano na ba?
Ay, wala pa. Ay, wala pa mga fries.
Check natin kasi baka ano.
Wala pa yung mga super meal.
Akin na yan, Pat. Ilagay ko dito. Maraming space si Holly. Yes.
May chicken na pala eh.
Maraming space dito. Baba, watch out ha. We have food here. Diyan mo.
Meron na yung 2-piece chicken na to dyan. Okay na daw eh.
Okay na. May
Jolly, may Jolly,
Ate,
may...
may spoon and fork na lahat yun.
Okay. Catch.
Ate, pa-ketchup ka naman, please.
Sabi mo raw 18 minutes, Ate Luis.
Yun nga, tita. Prank tayo.
Prank lang.
Tayo.
Nagbagas lang kami dito sa gasoline station nila, guys. And ang haba na ng ano, ng pila dun sa drive-thru. May Jollibee din dito, guys. Oh. Jollibee, Jollibee. Jollibee na daw to kasi kulang lang na ano, dapat palitan lang yung J na H. Sabi niya yung Jolly hotdog ba to? Sabi ni Holly, that's Holly mom, Holly hotdog.
like that. Pero, so, inaano ko na siya para tomorrow nung sa
Cause I think I do want you next to me.